take some craft paper and put it down so that you have a clean surface to work on. If you're working on a lumpy surface and you push down on the acetate, those lumps and bumps will telegraph into the acetate, denting the acetate. The next thing you want to do is make sure that your Strathmore is clean of all erasing shavings, leftover eraser marks, any dust, any bristles from the horsehair brush. Lay out your acetate. Take your acetate out and unroll it. You want to make sure when you're storing the acetate that you don't dent it in any way, because those dents will telegraph to other layers. Before you put the board down, make sure the acetate is clean. So again, use your horsehair brush. And you're going to put the Strathmore face down, and you're going to leave about 3 or 4 inches of excess acetate on all 4 sides. Then you're going to cut the acetate in one smooth stroke. Any miscuts could cause tear. Now that you have it cut, you're going to start on one of the long sides, pulling it up. You're going to anchor long side to the board using 2 or 3 pieces of tape. And then you're going to go to the other side and carefully fold down the acetate. Anchor again in the middle of the board at the opposite location to the first anchor. Again with 2 or 3 pieces of tape. Rub them down really well to make sure that they stick. You're going to go back to the first side, and you're going to begin to lay out tape in a fan-like layout. Do a couple to the right of the anchor, and then do a couple to the left of the anchor. Pick up the board, roll the acetate over with your fingers and thumb, pull from the middle to the right and from the middle to the left with both your right and left hands. And continue to do that by making the tape go out in a radial pattern from the center close to you. You'll be able to slowly relieve the acetate in the middle of the board of wrinkles. Now when you get between 1 or 2 inches away from the edge, you stop and start working on the opposite side. Again, you're working on the long sides first.
So much ways to throw that. What you want to do with that? Wrap it up.
Okay, now I'm almost to the end on both sides. You see that?
Not really.
Not really?
Not
Must be the lighting.